Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. How are you all? I hope everyone is well. Today I will let know what is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is digital payment system that does not rely on banks to verify transactions. It's a peer-to-peer system that can enable anyone anywhere to send and receive payments. Instead of being physical money created around and exchanged in the real world, cryptocurrency payments exist purely as digital entries to an online database describing specific transactions. When you transfer cryptocurrency funds, the transactions are recorded in public ledger. Cryptocurrency is stored in digital wallets. Cryptocurrency received its name because it uses encryption to verify transactions. This means advanced coding is involved in storing and transmitting cryptocurrency data between wallets and public ledgers. The aim of encryption is to provide security and safety. The first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, which was founded in 2009 and remains the best known today. Much of the interest in cryptocurrencies is to trade for profit, with speculators at times driving price skyward. So far today, so I will try to come up with something better in the future. Everyone will be fine and take care of self. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.